Hi there, my name is Sam and today I will be showing you around this gorgeous Jaguar XF. It's a 3-litre D V6 Premium Luxury, finished in the gorgeous Claret red. This 12-plated vehicle has covered just over 53,000 miles and is now available from Motor Match Crewe. With this being a Motor Match vehicle, it will come with either a 30-day or a 1,000-mile warranty. Additional services are also available. If this vehicle does interest you throughout the video, then please get in touch on 01270 864 408. Starting with the front, and you're presented with the amazing front headlight design helping to give the XF its character. The menacing gloss black radiator grille follows with the matching gloss black grille surround and lower black side intakes with the chrome blades, creating a very sophisticated aesthetic. This XF also wears the gorgeous 19-inch 10 split spoke design alloy wheels with the red Jaguar centre caps complementing the vehicle well. Lower body coloured door skirts follow, along with the chrome Jaguar side vents and electrically adjustable body coloured door mirrors featuring integrated indicators. The rear interior offers gorgeous rear leather seats which feature integrated ISOFIX point and a retractable armrest. Door speakers follow, along with rear luggage netting and dual air vents, perfect on those long journeys. Progressing towards the rear of the XF now, and you're presented with the subtle yet sporty fixed boot lip spoiler, relevant Jaguar model badging featured in chrome with the chrome tailgate finisher and lower black bumper featuring the sporty dual exhausts. This Jaguar XF also features a generous amount of boot space. That's 540 litres to be precise, which could comfortably accommodate multiple carry-on suitcases or cater for a range of additional activities. As you can see, this is a very practical vehicle indeed. Progressing towards the other side of the XF now, and you can really begin to appreciate just how gorgeous this vehicle looks even on a dull day like today, complemented beautifully by the gloss black alloy wheels. Taking a look inside, and you're presented with the gorgeous leather trimmed multifunctional steering wheel and semi-digital instrument cluster. A neatly designed centre console follows, along with the gorgeous rich oak veneer and the incredible front leather seats featuring electrical adjustments, perfect on those long journeys. Returning towards the front of the vehicle now, and that concludes our 360-degree tour of this stunning Jaguar XF. Next, we'll be sitting inside and exploring what the display has to offer. Sitting inside, and as you can see, this is a lovely place to be. Panning to the right, and you're presented with multiple controls such as window controls and door mirror adjustments. Various multifunctional steering wheel controls can also be found, such as cruise control and audio controls. The clean and responsive semi-digital instrument cluster follows, along with a brilliant central touchscreen display which houses a range of functions such as media, allowing you to choose from a vast array of your favourite radio stations, ultimately meaning that you'll never miss a beat when on the go. Navigation is also built in, with another clean and responsive layout allowing you to input all relevant travel data quickly and easily, meaning that you will get to your next destination in no time at all and feel stress-free throughout the journey. Additional climate control options can also be displayed here, allowing for you to tailor the airflow and ultimately tailor the cabin experience. A phone option is also provided, allowing you to pair your device via Bluetooth, which is perfect for conducting hands-free calls on the go. And lastly, when selecting reverse, the rear cameras will engage with yellow guidelines assisting you in and out of those tight spaces. Additional climate control settings can also be viewed, along with dual cup holder storage and armrest storage. Thank you for watching this video on this gorgeous Jaguar XF, which is part of our Motor Match promise. This includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. An RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years is also available, along with flexible finance packages. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us today on 01270 864 408, and a member of our sales team will be more than happy to help. Thank you for watching.